Hi friends, and welcome back to our pronunciation reference course. My name's Sophie and I'm helping you learn the 44 English sounds. I'm also helping you learn the organs of speech for proper pronunciation. Are you ready to get going? Brill. So today we're learning the sound j. Now the sound j is found in lots of words like just, job and jab. Now it's also really careful to know that certain sounds like the j sound can be made by using other letters. In this case, the j can be made with the letters g and e put together and g and I put together. In this case, we'll just focus on the j and we'll come back to those later on. So those words again, just, jab and job. Just, jab and job. Now your turn. Perfect. Now the sound j is known as a voiced and a consonant. It's also known as a really long word, but don't get scared. Are you ready for it? So it's also known as a palato-alvelolar affricate. That long word slowly. Palato-alvelolar affricate. What on earth does that mean? I know it sounds really scary, but it's not, believe me. It basically means that we use our tongue and we use the ridge of the mouth at the top, just behind the teeth, to stop the air from going through. We then drop it back down to create a narrow space and the air pushes through. So that really slowly is really easy. Put the tongue to the top of the mouth and create a narrow space. Just put it at the ridge of the teeth as well. Just make sure it's there rather than anywhere else in the mouth. And create the narrow space. And get ready to force that air out as the tongue drops down. Are you ready? J. J. So that air's coming out as the tongue drops down. Fab. Have you got it? One more time. J. And those words again? Just, job and jab. Now the words just, job and jab have the sound j at the beginning. Words like adjust and badger have the j sound in the middle. Now it's really careful to notice that badger uses that other alternative we looked at earlier, the g and the e, still making that j sound. Words like large and strange also use the g e spelling, but also create the j sound at the end. Can you think of any more? Think of the other forms as well and see what you can find out. Brilliant. I'll see you next time for our next sound, and you keep on practicing with the fantastic Lingwiser mobile app. I'll see you next time. Bye.